With our new CB1000, we actually take away a lot of the guesswork. Once we align up your recipes to the 5 recipe buttons, staff don't need to think too much. They can just get to work and spend more time engaging with customers as well. That's where the money's made. When you guys are not working so much, the machine will do that for you, and you can then spend time building relationships, which means your customers are walking in tomorrow. Let's just say your first recipe is a quick, easy smoothie like we'll do in a second. Your second recipe is a lot more thick. It's got some ice cream in there. It's got some heavy ingredients. You can change that recipe and align it up to number 2. Number 3 happens to be like a little baby milkshake, and you can do a little quick whip up with that one. And number 4 might be something like a thick shake, and number 5 might even be like an acai bowl or a smoothie bowl as well. So your staff don't need to think. They don't need to analyze and what am I doing and how much. They can quickly just go, it's my smoothie, number 1. Or 5, it's my smoothie bowl, hit number 5, walk away, come back to the perfect smoothie or smoothie bowl, that which your customers demand.